Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 900, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows: the meaning of angel number 900, the spiritual significance. What does it mean for love? What does 900 mean for twin flames? What does it mean for manifestation? How does 900 affect finances? What does it mean for former relationships? How does 900 guide your work life? What are the strengths? What are the weaknesses? And lastly, a summary. Let's now start with the first topic. What's the meaning of angel number 900? Angel number 900 symbolizes the culmination of a significant phase and the commencement of a new spiritual journey. The number 9 signifies completion and humanitarianism, while the double zeros amplify the energy of potential and infinite possibilities. Encountering 900 suggests that you're being guided to release outdated patterns and embrace a path aligned with your higher purpose. It's a call to trust in the universe's plan and to step confidently into a new chapter of growth and enlightenment. Code Sacred. Anahana. What is the angel number 900 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 900 is a profound message urging you to align with your soul's mission. It indicates that you're on the verge of significant spiritual development, supported by the divine realm. This number encourages introspection, meditation, and a deeper connection with your inner wisdom. By embracing the transformative energy of 900, you open yourself to heightened spiritual awareness and a stronger bond with the universe. Anahana. What does the angel number 900 mean for love? In love, angel number 900 signifies transformation and the potential for new beginnings. For singles, it may indicate the arrival of a meaningful relationship aligned with your spiritual path. For those in relationships, it suggests a phase of renewal, urging both partners to grow together spiritually. This number emphasizes the importance of open communication, mutual respect, and aligning your relationship with your higher selves. What does angel number 900 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 900 is a powerful sign of spiritual alignment and growth. It may indicate that both individuals are undergoing personal transformations necessary for their. This number encourages you to focus on your own spiritual development, trusting that this inner work will bring you closer to your twin flame. It's a reminder that the twin flame journey is as much about individual growth as it is about the union itself. Twin Flamesly. What does angel number 900 mean for manifestation? Angel number 900 is a potent sign for manifestation, indicating that you're in a prime position to bring your desires into reality. It encourages you to focus your intentions on your spiritual goals and to trust in the universe's support. By maintaining a positive mindset and aligning your actions with your higher purpose, you can manifest outcomes that resonate deeply with your soul's mission. How does angel number 900 affect finances? Financially, angel number 900 suggests a period of transformation and alignment with your true purpose. It may indicate that by pursuing work that resonates with your spiritual values, financial abundance will follow. This number encourages you to release fears about money and to trust that the universe will provide as you align your career with your soul's mission. What does angel number 900 mean for former relationships? Regarding past relationships, angel number 900 signifies closure and the readiness to move forward. It encourages you to release lingering attachments, forgive past grievances, and embrace the lessons learned. This number serves as a reminder that holding on to past relationships can hinder personal growth and that by letting go, you create space for new, healthier connections. How does angel number 900 guide your work life? In your professional life, angel number 900 indicates that you're being guided to align your career with your spiritual purpose. It may be time to pursue work that is more fulfilling and in harmony with your values. This number encourages you to trust your intuition, embrace new opportunities, and understand that your professional path is a significant aspect of your spiritual journey. Code Sacred. What are the strengths of angel number 900? The strengths of angel number 900 lie in its emphasis on spiritual growth, completion, and the potential for new beginnings. It encourages individuals to this number fosters resilience, spiritual awareness, and the courage to pursue one's soul mission, leading to a more fulfilling and purpose-driven life. What are the weaknesses of angel number 900? While angel number 900 carries powerful messages, potential challenges include the fear of change and the uncertainty that comes with new beginnings. Individuals may struggle with releasing the past or may feel overwhelmed by the spiritual demands of their journey. It's essential to address these fears, seek support when needed, and trust in the guidance provided by the universe to navigate these transitions successfully. The concept of angel number 900 carries profound spiritual and emotional weight, symbolizing completion, transformation, and the invitation to embrace a higher path aligned with one's soul purpose. This number is a message from the universe, or one's spiritual guides, indicating that a significant chapter in life is coming to a close. However, rather than signifying loss or failure, this closure opens a door to powerful spiritual growth, self-discovery, and service to others. At its core, 900 urges the individual to shed what no longer serves their greater good and step confidently into a future built on wisdom, compassion, and purpose. In numerology, the number 9 represents endings, wisdom, spiritual awakening, and humanitarianism, while 0 symbolizes potential, eternity, and divine guidance. With the double presence of 0, the energy of infinite possibilities is magnified. When combined as 900, the message is clear. Let go of outdated beliefs or relationships and trust in the divine flow guiding you toward a more meaningful, soul-centered life. In the realm of love and relationships, 900 encourages introspection and emotional maturity. It may suggest closure of past relationships that no longer align with your spiritual growth, or, for those in current partnerships, it can signify the need to elevate the relationship through shared purpose and deeper emotional connection. For twin flames, it highlights the importance of personal transformation before union, reminding each individual to focus on their spiritual development. In career and finances, 900 often signals a call to service or a shift toward more meaningful work. It may mean leaving behind unfulfilling roles to pursue paths that contribute to collective well-being. Financially, it urges trust in divine support, emphasizing abundance through alignment with higher values. As a number of manifestation, 900 is a green light to focus on spiritual goals, using the power of intention and trust in the universe to attract meaningful outcomes. However, its strengths, spiritual awakening, selflessness, and inner wisdom, may come with weaknesses, such as fear of change, emotional vulnerability, and resistance to letting go. Ultimately, angel number 900 is a powerful guide encouraging personal transformation, purpose-driven action, and alignment with one's divine path. It's a sign to trust in endings as sacred gateways to enlightened new beginnings.